everyone, what's up? I'm back with another unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing TXT's Lightstick because if you guys follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you totally should, all of my socials will be here. I'm going to the TXT concert in Seoul. I won the raffle for Saturday's show, so I already purchased my ticket. I don't know what seat I'm gonna be in yet. They're not announcing it until the 31st, but I'm just excited to be going. This is going to be my first K-pop concert since being in Korea. I didn't have any luck with ticketing for BTS. I didn't have luck for ticketing for the 17 fan meeting. I'm so happy that I won the raffle, and all of my friends won the raffle too, so we're all going together. I'm super excited. So obviously I had to buy the light stick, and I'm also gonna be answering some of your guys' questions. I posted on my Instagram, again, follow me on my Instagram. I posted on my Instagram that I was gonna film a small Q&A just to kind of update you guys on my life, because I feel like I kind of went on a hiatus and then all of a sudden I'm just like posting a bunch of new content and I haven't really explained myself that much. Yeah, so I'm going to be unboxing and answering your guys' questions. Also, side note, I'm not wearing foundation today because I honestly don't really like wearing foundation at work, but I do like everything else, so I don't know if you can tell. But anyways, so I'm gonna start unboxing the light stick. I feel like that was just like a lot of information in like 1 minute. I don't even know if any of you guys really care. Woohoo, here's the light stick, the official light stick. I love that I literally got the TXT light stick before I even got my BTS light stick. Here's the outer box, super cute. I'm a sucker for white packaging, just like sleek looking. I'm obsessed with it. I guess before I open the box, I'll answer my first question. Someone said, if I make it to Korea and you are still there, will you be down to show me around? I would love to. I've actually met a couple people that watch my videos, or like subscribers, and they've been super sweet and really cool to hang out with. I absolutely love meeting you guys, and I would love to show you guys around, or even just to like hang out with you guys. I'm not really that great of a tour guide, but I would love to hang out with you guys if I ever get the chance. How have you been? I've been good. I feel like from the months of like February until basically May, a lot has been going on. I ended my last job. I moved to a new place. I moved to a new school. I'm kind of just getting like finally getting my footing back and getting completely settled in. So in short terms, I've been good, but for the past few months, I've had a lot of like ups and downs. Someone said, are you still trying to learn Korean? Yes, but I feel like I'm not actively doing it. If anything, my listening comprehension has gotten really good, but my speaking is terrible. I'm looking into doing online Zoom lessons. I just don't really have the money for it right now. The first thing I see is this. Here's the light stick. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. So you have like the Tomorrow by Together, and I love these colors. I'm a sucker for these colors. And then here are the buttons. So exciting. I love light sticks. The only other one that I have here right now, oh no, that's a lie. I have Hypens, I have 17's version 2, and now I have TXT's. So exciting. So here's the actual light stick. Someone said, how's the new location and job? 1,000 times better. I'm actually in Seoul now, so I'm more of in like a residential area of Seoul, so you get like the busyness, but it's also like not very, how do I describe it? It's very education and business centered, I would say. So it's busy, but it's not a tourist area, if like that makes sense. Like it's not like people are coming here to do touristy thing. Here's like the duster bag. Again, I am a sucker for anything white and sleek, and then it just says Tomorrow by Together. And then here is the strap. Tomorrow by Together, Moments of Alwaysness. Someone said, do you plan to stay in Korea for another year? By the way, miss your vlogs. Yes, I actually have been contemplating this. I'm gonna try putting the strap on this. I feel like it's a little bit too early for me to tell whether or not I want to stay. I'm really enjoying my new job right now, and I think that there's a high chance that I will stay at least another year in Korea. By the way, miss your vlogs. I'm planning on getting back into vlogging. I just don't know when. How was moving jobs and the process. I guess like the process was really easy since I already have all of my documents in immigration. I only had to get a letter of release and a like proof of payment that I actually was getting paid at the school. Also, why am I struggling so hard? The process was really easy. I had my current director helping me, like telling me all the things that I needed basically. I just did everything on their end. So really changing jobs wasn't hard. Moving house was interesting. Stressful, but interesting. My old co-teacher actually booked me the moving truck, which was super nice. I was worried I wasn't gonna be able to fit everything in the truck because sometimes moving trucks are just moving vans. It worked out in the end. I got a legitimate truck and he helped me with everything. Like he literally moved everything on dollies, and honestly, like it didn't take too long. It was just like getting lost and getting into this new building. That was stressful. How long are you planning to stay in Korea? That's hard to say in my personal opinion, because for me, I feel like I don't plan things. And if you are close to me, you know that I suck at planning, I suck at thinking ahead, and I kind of just go with a vibe and how I'm feeling. So I feel like when it's my time to go from Korea, I'll just know and I'll just decide to go. But right now, I'm really happy and I really am enjoying my job. So I think come September, I will be starting to make decisions of whether or not I'm going to stay or if I'm going to change jobs, that type of thing. Okay, someone said top 5 girl or boy groups at the moment. I guess it's like top 5 just in general. I'm gonna see if I can find some batteries really fast and then try and play with the light stick. Got some batteries. So my top 5 girl and boy groups at the moment, right now, 17 is like my number 1. TXT, obviously, and Hypen, BTS, and my favorite girl group right now, I'm really into aespa, like really randomly. So I guess like those 5. Oh, those are like the groups that I am constantly listening to. I'm dumb and I don't know how to put in batteries. Do you have any exciting new plans for the near future? My parents are coming for Chuseok. I don't really have summer plans. Maybe just like doing weekend trips here and there type thing. But as of right now, nothing. How do I turn it on? Press and hold button 2 for 2 seconds. Oh! Omo. Hello? Why is this not working? Guys, I'm really struggling out here. Okay, so I think I have a faulty one, because the light doesn't turn on at all and I hear like the beeping sound. So like no light comes out of it. Like I turned it on and like you heard the sound, no light. So I'm just gonna let that sit, because I was looking for ways to troubleshoot it and someone said online that you have to wait for 5 minutes. I got the PCs. Why don't you film longer videos as before? I just like haven't been filming, if I'm being completely honest. I'm trying to get back into filming and like into vlogging and such, but I'm trying to like get my footing again. Why did you decide to move to a different school? I wanted to be closer to the city and I just wanted a change of pace. So basically at my old job, I did a lot of curriculum development, but at my new job, all I do is teach. So I don't have to make any new PPTs or anything. So here's Sub. And then on the back, it just says Tomorrow by Together and has their name. I just didn't want to do any more curriculum development. I just wanted to teach, and that's all I do at my new job. Oh, Kai is so cute. He looks like a baby here. Have you ever ordered from Cocodive? If yes, please tell some details about shipping time. I ordered one time and I believe it took like 2 months, at least more than 2 months to get to me. But also, to be fair, I was living in Canada, so, and it was like peak COVID time. Have you ever been to a K-pop concert? PS, love your videos. Thank you. I have not. So the TXT concert will be my first. Fave songs at the moment. I guess my fave song at the moment is Opening Sequence. I'm obsessed with it. It is literally my #1 on repeat song. You're into 17, really would like to know when and how. Also love your videos, thank you. Yeah, so it was last year after the Ataka release. Basically, I had started casually listening to them because of Allison. So Allison ordered Ataka, and so I started like kind of realizing who they were. I knew some of the songs, to be honest, but I didn't realize it was them. And then I don't really know what happened. Oh, I think Allison was showing Izzy videos of them and stuff like that, and I also just ended up joining them and getting like going down that hole and watching like Going 17 and just different music videos. I ended up like really loving their personalities and really loving their music. And I already knew of Hoshi. Like, I loved Hoshi before I even knew anything about 17. And then I listened to Spider, and that made me a stan. Like, Spider is Hoshi's solo song, but that made me a stan. So I was like, I need to know everything about 17 now. Your bias records in 17. Hoshi's my bias. My bias records honestly change all the time. Right now it's Vernon, and before it was Mingyu, but right now solid Vernon. And I think Wanu's up there, and I really like DK. Like, Dokyam, I have been looking at him. He's so talented. Your ultimate group, I would say I have a top 2, and it's 17 and BTS. I feel like because for me, it's been a while since like BTS has released new music, and I haven't ordered like any albums and stuff. Not that I've forgotten about them like at all. Like, I love them very much still. It's just like because I started standing 17 so like late in the game, I think I've been so excited trying to collect their stuff. So update, there's still no light coming from it, so I'm going to email. I think I'm really upset by this because I need this for the concert and it's not working. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, even though like I'm really upset by this not working. I even changed the batteries. Like, I thought like maybe it was the batteries, but like the sound went off and the light isn't turning on. But it's a beautiful light stick. Like, honestly, I love the colors. I'm obsessed with it. I just want it to turn on. Like, that's all I'm asking. I just want it to turn on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it gave you like a little bit of insight of like what's been going on with me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I did change the batteries as per Weverse's suggestion, and I got brand name batteries and it lights up. So use Duracell batteries because I just got ones from the dollar store or from Daiso, and they suggested Duracell and it works. So yeah, there's my light stick.